Polar opposites? For one thing, the Arctic is ocean surrounded by land, while the Antarctic is land surrounded by ocean. Ooh! Bioluminescent plankton. This deep underwater, bioluminescence is how most creatures communicate. I'm setting the coordinates for the first stop. Traveling in the hypersphere can be intense, so I'm going to start you with a short head to get you acclimated. Then, we'll continue on our mission to install the booster and track the magnificent animals we've been researching. Burn, Captain, permission to drive? No, Vern, not after the last time. Ceaseless. I'll be watching everything from here at the base. Engage hypercurrent to the North Atlantic. Ooh, this is my favorite part! Excellent work. You found a basket shark. Ceterinus maximus. Second largest fish in the ocean. Sharks like this one are only able to live this far north thanks to currents like the Gulf Stream bringing warm water up from the tropics. Pretty cool, right? Or warm, I guess. Okay, time to keep moving. The next leg will bring us all the way to the Caribbean. Ready, Vern? You bet, Captain. I even got something special to play on. Something I've been talking about. Caribbean, here we come. Did you know corals are actually living animals and not plants? Coral reefs provide food and habitat for about 25% of all the world's fishes. Vern, you're go to die. Oh, right. All you need to do is plug the booster into the transponder and activate. We have set it up. Vern, that's a ping from Hana's chip. Do you remember Hana? Of course! Hana was the first humpback whale we ever tagged, but we haven't heard her signal in years. Okay, team, our mission has changed. We're going to check in on Hana. I'm locking in on her coordinates now.